Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to answer a question that says if you can add a joint owner on Navy Fedra. So yes, you can join an owner on Navy Fedra. Let's see how you can do it. So step number one, both of you, the primary account holder and new joint holder, have to visit the Navy Federal branch together. Then you have to bring your valid identification, driver license, social security number, and proof of address. Then request the change information. For this, you have to fill out the form with your details, choose survivorship options, and sign both parties' name. Then you have to submit the form. You have three options. You can do it by yourself at the branch, or you can use it through secure message or by fax. The processing time is usually just a few minutes. After approval, the joint owner gains full access to the account. Kindly double check all the details, and that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.